Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's an honor to have you returning new subscribers. Thank you for sticking with us. Here we are going to bring you a new tutorial. Okay, this is a very protective hairstyle for kids, even adults. This is a two-step hairstyle, and of course using rubber band method and feeding in front. So stay tuned and see how we achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, thank you. All right, here I just moisturize the hair. Okay, and once I'm done moisturizing, of course we're gonna dive into the braiding. So here I just add oil and then rubber band so that it will not break, it will damage the child's hair. Okay, so because we're doing the rubber band at the back. Okay, so here I'm going to section the hair at the back where I will begin braiding my boss braids. Okay, this is gonna be a bigger one because of time. We're gonna make it big. Okay, and the back side I just do 3. Okay, again with kids, they're not patient enough to wait, so we're just gonna make it quick as possible so they can get out. Anyways, I'm gonna crochet in the hair extension that I'll be using. Okay, so you're just gonna watch me do it. Okay, just a little bit the first time, and then the bigger part to start braiding it. Okay, so I still cut natural hair aside braid. Okay, I just make sure that it's stuck in with the hair. All right, that's how I did it. Again, we're leaving out some hair at the end of the hair. We're not bringing all the way to the end. Okay, we're leaving it so we can add some coils to it. Okay, just to make it fun for the kids, that kind of stuff, you know. So that's what we're doing, but again, it's gonna be self-explanatory, and I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut so that y'all can go ahead and enjoy this beautiful braid tutorial. Okay, and please do us a favor, go ahead, like, turn on the notification bell, subscribe and share so that your friends and family will join us as well. Okay, thank you again, and I will see you all soon. Alright, here I'm just getting out the hair that I'll be using to begin the feeding in the front. And yeah, we're just gonna start the cornrow a little bit, so I just did a little bit of cornrow and then start adding a hair to it. Okay, like feeding. Again, this is my actually first time doing it on my baby girl hair, y'all, first time, and I'm super proud of myself. I know that the next time is gonna be better than the first time, and I will keep going. So you see, don't be scared of anything, just try it. Just take fear outside everything and just give it a try. Okay, those things that you think you might not be able to do, you'll be surprised what you get or you achieve. Again, this is my first time, y'all, doing the feeding braid. Again, it might not look perfect, it might not look professional, but again, I am super proud of myself for even trying. Okay, and again, I'm saying it to you, just do that thing, start that business, whatever it is, the hairstyle, cornrows, boss braid, whatever it is that you want to try, go ahead and give it a try. You never know, you might get it right. Okay, first time. Again, if it's not right, keep trying. I had to do it severally to keep going. Okay, and to keep it looking the way it is today. So I am proud of myself. Again, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna keep my mouth shut again. And again, this is the last section of the hair, this section, and I will come back again maybe before the whole thing ends. I will see you, I said. Alright, we have come to the end of this hairstyle, y'all. So again, thank you for watching, and if you've watched all the way to this point, y'all, please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share it to family and friends, okay? We love you guys. I will see you in our next video. Please leave us a comment below and let us how we did. Thank you all, and I did end up putting in hot water, okay, the ends before taking it out, okay? But again, this is the finished look, y'all. I am super proud of myself. Thank you, and see you next. Bye for now.